Blessed love. Welcome to the Food of 7 Vegan Restaurant / The Great Physician International. I'm Honorable Empress Chanel. Today you'll be getting a brief tour of our restaurant as well as our clinic. Welcome to our herbal garden. We have all our medicinal herbs. They can also be used to enhance the flavor of your food. Now this is the castor oil tree. We use the leaves to do an insert that helps to melt fibroids and cysts. This is the cassia lata, also known as the king of the forest, which is a very good liver cleanser. It can be used internally and externally. It also helps in any skin irritation. We're here inside of the Food of 7 Vegan Restaurant, the Rodney Bay branch. Here we only prepare meals for contracts and reservations only. We do have a walk-in service for pastries and green juices or other natural juices. This is our production office. We store our medicines in wooden barrels to avoid the artificial estrogen and chemicals from the plastic containers. Honorable Prophet Carey sprung in some turmeric, which will be used in a poultice in a short while. So now we'll go up to the clinic of the Great Physician International, where you'll be getting a brief tour of Honorable Priest Kailash's office, where you have your one-on-one consultation, as well as our therapy room and our room for patients that we have coming in from overseas. This is our reception area. We have 2 patients there waiting to see Honorable Priest Kailash for their one-on-one consultations. This is where a patient stay that comes in for a 21-day treatment program. They'll stay here and get their foods prepared and their therapy in the same place. Now we'll be going to the therapy room where Empress McCarthy give her treatments of full body massage.
Basically, what we've been seeing here as we entered into the treatment room, we saw Empress McCarthy. She was just cleaning the foot before the treatment, whereby the white cotton gloves was being soaked in some lavender oil and some hot water. She basically right now what she'll be doing after that, as she said, the lavender, they use the lavender for disinfection and so on. The sister here, she has some pain in her foot, because as you could see right here, the blackness of the foot is because of pitting edema right here, because when I press here it'll be painful, and you could see even my finger forming an indentation right here, basically because of the poor circulation, and you have dead blood stained down at the bottom here. There is a dorsal pulse that you're supposed to feel here to see if the artery is actually moving the blood properly. Yes, it is, but the movement of the blood back to the heart has been compromised because of poor venous circulation. So what we're doing, we are giving a lymphatic massage, a light massage, to actually help in the circulation, and also we are giving what you call a massage of the warm castor oil, and the castor oil now would literally help to take out toxins from the leg. And also you have the cayenne pepper powder that actually helps to improve the circulation. The bottom of the feet is being rubbed, and that's what we basically offer for the treatment, where full body massages to deal with the foot, helping the poor circulation, whatever it is. You know, at the Great Physician International, we have a natural solution to all your artificial problems.
Blessed love, I'm Empress McCarthy, and I'm the herbal therapist at the Great Physician International. We are providing full body massage only with natural oils, pedicure, manicure, facials, comb natural hair only with organic products. So if you like your full body massage, come down to the Great Physician International, and we're more willing to help you.
Now we'll be going to Honorable Priest Kailash's office, where you get your one-on-one consultation.
Blessed love, give thanks. Basically, what we are about to do is just to demonstrate, as we have an honorable sister here with us that, you know, has some problems with her cyst. What we have as what we call polycystic ovaries, or PCOS, where we have some herbs that has been placed in some hot castor oil. Now castor oil literally helps in the absorption you know, of all the toxic materials from the specific area. The womb being located about, let's say from up here, you have the top of the womb going down here, then you have your ovaries more to that side here and more to that side here. So what we do, we massage with the castor oil gently but still firmly, the massaging, so at least you get the absorption of the castor oil and the whole essence of the herb into the whole area of the cervix. So you could feel the ovary right here, right? So over here is the other ovary. Now if it is that this person is literally suffering from polycystic ovaries, when you press around here after a little while, they might feel like they want to urinate. You want to urinate? Okay, she went to urinate before, so she says that she is fine. Now after we've rubbed on the castor oil, what we do now, we are going to be applying a particular type of a herbal application, which is what we refer to as a poultice. Now the poultice is what you call, it's a mixture of herbs, right? This one has turmeric, it has castor oil, it has different types of herbs mixed up together for an application right over the womb area, which all we do, we just apply this right around the area here, and the womb area, and also the cervix area. Now the turmeric specifically contains curcumine, that's an anti-inflammatory, also has anti-cancer properties for if you have any tumors or anything. And as we say, the castor oil, the cayenne pepper powder, St. John's bush, the different types of herbs. So we have this application right here, and what we do next, we're going to have some warms of banana leaves that actually help to create a warm environment within that area here to actually allow the absorption of the constituents of the turmeric right into that area that we are treating. You know, that's what you call a poultice. If we were doing it for fermentation, what would be literally doing, instead of using the hard aspect of the turmeric, we would be using the tea, a piece of rag soaked in the tea of the turmeric, and then we apply it the same way onto that area. Now all I need to do next is basically wrap it up with some plastic wrap and bandage it and keep it in place, and you keep that overnight. So basically there are ways that you could perform surgery without going into the person, from the outside in, you know, and then you go from the inside out by sucking and breaking up all the dead particles and the tumors and cysts and all these type of things. So there you go. Give thanks again, as you've seen exactly what is it that we do, and as you've seen the baths, the massages, all these things that we specifically do at the Foot of 7 and at the Great Physician International. God is love, let us all love. Blessed love. Give thanks, definitely. Most times when people have a clinic or a rejuvenation center, or even what you call a healthcare, people normally think about a place that's dark and gloomy, and you understand, and when you go there, people have to leave you at 12 and come back at another time, and you're there alone in a little room and somebody died in a bed next door to you. At the Great Physician International, our rejuvenation center comprises of something more holistic, where we promote life. When we came here in Rodney Bay about 2 years ago, all the herbs, I know you've seen the pawpaw, you've seen the moringa trees, I mean you see pineapple, you see lemongrass, you see sorrel, you see verven, cassialata. There are over 108 herbs right here. And all these herbs specifically were planted less than 2 years. You could eat your own pawpaw, have your own moringa seeds you could utilize. So here we provide holistic treatment. So we don't call it a hospital, we call it a rejuvenation center, whereby you could come and get rejuvenated. So when you step in here, if you have a fibroid, polycystic ovary condition, diabetes, high blood pressure, a tumor, whatever it is, there are ways that you could go through a natural process and naturally eradicate your diseases. So the one-stop shop where you could eat, you could drink, you could sit down, have a consultation, get your massages, whatever it is that you need to do, you could step right here with us and naturally eradicate all your diseases. That's Honorable Priest Kailash, the chairman of the Great Physician International. Blessed love.